Member profiles are a great way for you to check in on and check the progress of each of the other members in your group. There's a couple of different ways to reach member profiles. One is through meetings. I'll show you that in just a minute. First, let's just take a look over here in the side navigation panel. Select members. So this will list all of the members in your group. If you want to look at the profile of a particular member, just simply select their name, and the member profile slides in from the side like this. At the top is some basic information, including contact information and their time zone. Then you've got some tabs here. Your tabs may be a little different depending on your group. This one is selected here on commitments. You can look at their commitments, what's open and what's complete. Then you can also select member details, give things like personal background, professional background, a little additional information down here at the bottom. What's listed here will be different depending on how your facilitator has configured your group. Then also there's a tab here for plan. You can look at this particular member's goal and milestones, how they're coming on those, their big picture, things like their mission and values and their personal motivation. It's good to understand what's going on with the other members in your group, and it's all conveniently located right here in the profile. Also look at some of their statistical information. You can exit this by clicking the X here or just click outside, and that information is available to you on a phone as well. Let's take a look at another member here. So you can see it just loads. It looks a little different, right? All right, and so let's go ahead and navigate to how you reach member profiles in a meeting. So let's select Meetings, Group. Just happens to be the meeting. I'm going to pick an arbitrary meeting. This works the same no matter what meeting you're in. You'll see there's a nice little bar over here to the side with some avatars. So let's go ahead and just pick a particular member, and I'm just going to click that avatar. Slides over. All the same information is available over here, except if you notice there's an extra section here on the tab. So these tabs can change depending on the situation, but all the information you need on a particular member is right here. Nice, convenient. Okay, so that's how you look at and check other member profiles.